Ken is working this summer as part of a crew on a farm. He earned $8 per hour for the first 10 hours he worked this week. I'm gonna just stop there and let's figure out how much he earned first 10 hours. We are given the rate unit $8 per hour and he's gonna work 10 hours at this rate. And you can see that hours cancel when you multiply the rate and the time, and it will give us the amount, kind of like a work. Okay, like speed times time equals like distance or amount. He just earned $80. Congrats, Ken. So he earned $80. Because of his performance, his crew leader raised his salary to $10 per hour for the rest of the week. Oh wow, go Ken. So he earned $10 per hour now. We don't know how many hours that he's getting $10 per hour so far when I stop in the line 4. Okay, but Ken saves 90% of his earnings from each week. Okay, so far, $80 plus whatever hour he earns times 10, all together, we gotta multiply by 0.9 because that will result the amount he's saving. So what's the least number of hours he must work the rest of the week, which I'm gonna say T hour, rest of the week to save at least $270 for the week. Okay, so he must be saving for something like, I don't know, tablet or used cell phone for $270. Whatever his goal is, we need to find out his gross revenue and multiply that with 90% and set the inequality 270 equal to 270 or higher. Okay, so that's our game plan. So these first 10 hours. And this is the rest of the week. Okay, again, we don't know exact amount, but if you multiply it, you get 10t. So if you add these together for the entire week, 80 plus 10t is greater than or equal to 270. But don't forget this. 90% of the earning means you gotta multiply this 0.9 on this gross revenue. And that's the sum of this. Okay, so we just got one inequality. And let's solve for t here. Because what's the least number of hours he must work for the remaining for the rest of the week is to find the variable t. Okay, so 270 divided by 0.9, let's just use calculator or decimals. 270 divided by 0.9, you're gonna get 300, nice number. And we have 80 plus 10t, and we just need to subtract 80 on both sides. When you do that, you get 10t is greater than or equal to 220. And last step, divide by 10 on both sides. And you're going to get t is greater than or equal to 22. So it's the least number of, so we can have 30, 40, 100. Okay, so that's kind of crazy to work in 100 hours. It's kind of like me. But 10 t here, the least t you can have is 22. The answer should be C.